Good morning everyone. It's Miss Katie, and do you see where I am today? That's right, I'm outside because it's a beautiful spring day. And on a beautiful spring day, I love nothing more than to sit outside and work on an art project. So I got super excited and I went to go look for my sidewalk chalk. Uh-oh, I couldn't find my sidewalk chalk. I looked high, I looked low, no sidewalk chalk. Oh man, what am I gonna do now? And then I got another great idea. I'll make my own sidewalk chalk. And not only am I gonna make my own sidewalk chalk, we're gonna make it sidewalk chalk paint. That's right. And don't worry, you probably have these ingredients at home, and it's completely non-toxic and will wash away with a little bit of water. So I'm gonna go ahead and gather my materials, and I'm gonna show you those materials so you can go get them for yourself, and then we can work on this project together. All right, see you in just a moment. A 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, food coloring, a small bowl, a fork for mixing. All right, so I've got my cornstarch, I've got my water, I've got my containers, I've got my fork, I picked out my food coloring, yellow, blue, red. You can also use liquid watercolor if that's something you have at home. I've got my paint brushes. Now all I need is my measuring cup. And we need how much water again? A 1/4 cup? No, wait a minute. That's not a 1/4 cup. That's a 1/4 and a cup. But you know what? Quarters are not different from 1/4 cups. See, it takes 4 quarters. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters equals how much? Do you know? $1. That's right. There's 4 quarters in $1, which means, here's our real measuring cup, that there's how many 1/4 cups in 1 cup? Let's count them. See here, these little red lines? Let's count them together. 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters. That's 4 quarters equals 1 cup. So, let's get ready to measure our ingredients and get started. All right, let's start with our dry ingredients. So for our dry ingredients, we actually want a 1/2 cup of cornstarch, which is equal to 2 quarters. Let's see, 2 quarters. So this would be 50 cents, but in our measuring cup, 2 quarters equals a 1/2 cup. So let's go ahead and measure that. All right, looks pretty good. So I'm gonna make my first color. Now, you're gonna wanna just repeat this recipe for every container of color that you wanna make. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my red. So, how much water do I need again? That's right, I need a 1/4 cup of water. So, let's go ahead and measure that. Now, I've got my 1/4 cup of water.
Pretty cool.
I'm gonna go ahead and put in just about 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Right. 3 drops of my red. And then I'm going to pour my water. And I'm gonna take my fork. And I'm going to mix that up. All right. Actually, is looking pink. Can you see that? It's just gonna make, you're gonna have to really stir that around, break up all those clumps of cornstarch. All right. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same process to make my blue and my yellow. So you guys go ahead and make your blue and yellow, and I'll meet you outside again. All right. So as you can see, I've got my pink, my yellow, and my blue. And actually, I don't know if you guys can see this, but Mickey's decided to join us. He also likes being outside on a beautiful day like today. So far, I've painted a heart, painted a flower, and I think I'm going to draw a rainbow. First I'll do my blue. Okay. Oh, Mickey. I think he's pretty curious of what I'm doing. Next, I'll go with my yellow. Okay. And remember, you guys can paint whatever it is that you are imagining, because art is all about using your imagination. And then I'm going to just add my pink up here on top. See, all we needed to make ourselves some paint was a few ingredients from our kitchen. And so that's all for today's episode, guys. I'm gonna keep painting. I'm gonna spend a little bit more time outside here today, and catch you guys on the next episode. All right, everyone, today was awesome, and I hope you get outside for some of this beautiful spring weather. And I can't wait to see you guys on the next episode. Have fun painting. Bye.